This is a brand from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. All of the units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air and maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. The units are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA and only have an average guarantee. They are field convertible between horizontal and downflow and have a drain pan float switch that shuts off the unit if the condensate drain gets clogged. This prevents damage to interior spaces from condensate dripping down from the roof. The brand offers an optional electric heat kit in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts and have an insulated antimicrobial drain pan to inhibit mold growth. They use R410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as brands with R32 refrigerant. The units use quiet shift technology where the compressor is turned off prior to entering or exiting the defrost mode, which lowers the pressures and makes for quieter operation as well as minimizing the wear and tear on the reversing valve. The PRPHP14 models are basic heat pumps with a 6.7 HSPF2 efficiency and a 78 decibel sound rating, which is roughly equivalent to an alarm clock. The PRPHP16 premium heat pumps are quieter due to their two-stage scroll compressors and compressor blankets. They also have a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation.